I believe this guy is a Downy Woodpecker. I got several quick glimpses of it as it went from tree to tree. I was amazed I was able to catch up to it so often. Kind of cute and enjoyable. There were about 40 turkeys around, so this is just some of them. I got a picture of, a few of them walking around together, and then we'll finish it off with the straggler. I mean, all the other ones had kept moving to the west, and this was the last one. So I got, a few uninterrupted seconds of video of the straggler after we see the flock.